Hello everyone, this is Urvashi Chauhan. Welcome to Courts Today by Livelaw. We bring you the latest and in-depth legal coverage, coming to you with a brief of what all happened in the Indian courts today. The five-judge Supreme Court Collegium has undergone a change following the retirement of Justices K.M. Joseph and Ajay Rastogi during the summer vacation. Justices B.R. Gavai and Suryakant are now the new members of the five-member collegium, which recommends to center names for appointment as judges of the Supreme Court. The other members of the collegium are Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, and Justice Sanjeev Khanna. The recommendations for high courts are made by a three-member collegium comprising the CJI and the next two senior judges. After the retirement of Justice K.M. Joseph, Justice Sanjeev Khanna has now become a member of the three-member collegium. The Supreme Court will reopen on July 3rd after summer vacations. A new subject-wise roster of work for judges in the Supreme Court, as you know, was published earlier this week. In an important observation holding that the professional activity of lawyers cannot be seen as commercial activity, the Delhi High Court has held that an advocate's office run from a residential building is not subject to property tax under the Delhi Municipal Corporation Act as a business building. The division bench of Justice Najmi Waziri and Justice Sudhir Kumar Jain noted that the master plan for Delhi of 2021 permits professional activity in residential buildings subject to certain conditions. However, the plan does not empower the corporation to levy tax for professional activity being carried out from residential buildings. You can read the court's observation in detail on this case on our website at livelaw.in. The Supreme Court has issued notice in a plea which challenges the ruling of Jharkhand High Court, which held that resolution professional, that is RP, will be considered a public servant under Prevention of Corruption Act. Let me tell you here, a resolution professional is appointed by an adjudicating authority who is responsible to govern the affairs of the whole insolvency and bankruptcy procedure of a company. A vacation bench comprising Justice A.S. Bopanna and Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra issued notice to the respondents in the special leave petition filed as well as the interim relief sought therein. The SLP argues that the RP does not perform public duty. The nature of duty is voluntary and contractual, and that the corporate insolvency resolution process initiated by the RP is an assignment, a professional service for which a profession fee is paid. The petition further submits that this issue is pending adjudication before various high courts and seeks the apex court's indulgence. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud has laid the foundation stone of a new High Court complex in Jammu. The state-of-the-art complex, estimated to cost over 800 crore rupees, is located in the Raika forest belt on the outskirts of Jammu. Chief Justice of India advocated for increased female representation in the realm of law and justice, acknowledging the positive strides being made since the adoption of online video conferencing in the Supreme Court. The CJI also launched e-initiatives for the judiciary of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, including a document management system for the High Court and a national service for tracking electronic processes in the district courts of the two union territories. Lieutenant Governor of J&K Manoj Sinha, Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh retired Brigadier B.D. Mishra, and judges of the Supreme Court and High Court were present on the occasion, whereas Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal joined the event virtually. The Manipur state government has constituted a 12-member expert committee to assess the feasibility of blocking VPN servers as a means to safely restore internet connectivity while maintaining restrictions on social media platforms. This is after the Manipur High Court directed for limited internet services to be provided to public for urgent and essential services. Internet ban, as you know, has been continuing in the state since 3rd May due to the ongoing violence. Several orders extending the shutdown have been issued by the state government. A bench of Justices A. Bimal Singh and Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma directed all petitioners to provide a list of institutions and centers where computer based examinations were conducted to the Home Department of the Manipur government in order to facilitate students in the ongoing admission process. The court has instructed the committee to convene a meeting at the earliest and present its findings by the next hearing, which is scheduled for 6th of July. The Chhattisgarh High Court has dismissed a petition filed by a married woman seeking medical termination of her pregnancy only on the ground that the marital relationship between her husband and herself had strained after she conceived out of the relationship. After perusing the petition, the court held that the petitioner did not conceive as a result of any sex crime committed upon her. She was a married woman who also did not claim that she was impregnated by any person other than her husband. Also, the court underlined that the petitioner was unable to make out a case seeking permission for medical termination of pregnancy on the grounds which are provided under the Act. In order to address the concerns regarding the alleged illegal felling of forest trees, the Himachal Pradesh High Court, headed by Chief Justice M.S. Ramchandra Rao and Justice Ajay Mohan Goyal, has ordered the formation of an inquiry committee. The committee will be responsible for verifying the claims made in a letter petition which submits that in connivance with the divisional forest officer, roads are being laid in extremely dense forest areas of Shikari Kamru Nag without obtaining clearance under the Forest Conservation Act. The respondent authorities have been directed to fully cooperate with the committee, which is further directed to file its report within 3 months. The matter will now be taken on October 10th. Stay tuned with us. The Madras High Court has refused to ban the offering of namaz in a pathway towards the Kasi Vishwanath temple in the Madurai district. The petition was filed by the state organization secretary of Aghila Bharat Hanuman Sena. The petition submitted that devotees who went to pray at the Kasi Vishwanath temple used to take rest and have their food in the pathway area. While so, the Jamaat members of Sikandar Badusha Dargah started offering namaz there. It was also submitted that by offering namaz in the pathway area, the Jamaat members were causing nuisance and hindrance to the public, and that after offering namaz, the members polluted the pathway with food waste and plastic waste. However, the bench of Justice R. Subramanian and Justice L. Victoria Gauri refused to grant an interim stay on the offering of prayers and asked the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowment to file their counters to the petition within 4 weeks. The court also remarked that there was no harm in offering namaz for 30 minutes and that it would not affect any person. Thank you for watching. If you wish to know more details about the cases I mentioned here, you can visit our website at www.livelaw.in. Stay ahead with quick legal updates only on Live Law. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe and support us.